guys, welcome to my channel Learn and Shine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make easy delicious burger at home. So let's make it. First you need burger buns and then chopped lettuce, mayonnaise, red chili sauce, and then sliced onion, sliced tomatoes and fresh coriander leaf, and then lettuce. For the patty you need boneless chicken, chopped coriander leaf, and then red chili powder, and one green chili, and some onion garlic, and then one lime, and cumin powder, and then one egg. Add little bit of salt and blend all the ingredients together without lemon. After blend, place in a bowl and then add red chili powder and then cumin powder and some lime juice. And then add a little bit of lime juice and then mix it well. So now for the patty, place a pan on your oven, then add some oil and then make it patty. If you don't have a mold, then you can make it by your hand in a round shape. So you can see the patty is ready, and then toast the bun slightly. Mix the chopped lettuce with mayonnaise and red chili sauce. So now make it as I am showing in this video. Your burger is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video then please do subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.